Cadillac decided that luxury cars weren't enough? What if they built a five-star hotel that moves at highway speed? Today, we're diving into the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a vehicle so refined and advanced that it completely changes how we think about RV travel. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the future of luxury and innovation on wheels. If you enjoy premium vehicles and next-generation design, make sure you stay till the end, because this one is truly special. The moment you see the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, you can tell it's not a typical RV. This vehicle carries Cadillac's bold design DNA from front to back. Sleek aerodynamic lines, a confident wide stance, and sharp LED lighting give it a futuristic yet elegant presence. Unlike traditional motorhomes that feel boxy and oversized, this one looks sculpted and intentional. Wherever it goes, it turns heads and makes a statement. Step inside, and the experience completely transforms. The interior feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury hotel suite. Soft leather seating, premium wood and metal accents, and carefully placed ambient lighting create a calm, upscale atmosphere. The open layout makes the space feel surprisingly large and comfortable, even when you're parked. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light and offer breathtaking views of your surroundings. Whether you're parked near the ocean, in the mountains, or in a quiet city corner, the outside world becomes part of the experience. This motorhome isn't just about traveling. It's about enjoying where you are. The living area is designed for relaxation and socializing. You can stretch out, entertain guests, or simply enjoy a peaceful evening after a long drive. Every surface and material feels thoughtfully chosen, reflecting Cadillac's attention to detail. The kitchen continues that premium feeling. It comes equipped with modern smart appliances, including a sleek refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and ample storage that blends seamlessly into the design. Everything is placed for ease of use, whether you're preparing a quick snack or a full meal on the road. This is a space that makes cooking feel enjoyable, not like a compromise. The dining area is equally comfortable, making it perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers who value space and style. It's practical, elegant, and designed for real-life use. When it's time to rest, the bedroom offers true comfort. A full-size luxury bed, soft lighting, and sound insulation create a peaceful environment that feels far removed from the road. Built-in storage keeps the space organized, so it never feels cluttered. This is a kind of bedroom where you can genuinely recharge for the next day's journey. The bathroom is another standout feature. Instead of feeling cramped, it feels modern and refined. High-quality finishes, a stylish shower, and smart water systems give it a spa-like feel while still being efficient and practical for travel. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A large digital control system allows you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security from one central interface. Voice commands make it even easier, letting you adjust settings without lifting a finger. On the driving side, Cadillac includes advanced safety and driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and parking support. Despite its size, this motorhome feels surprisingly easy and smooth to drive, even on long trips. Performance is another area where Cadillac aims to stand out. The 2026 model is expected to feature a powerful and efficient drivetrain, possibly hybrid or fully electric. This means strong performance combined with lower emissions and reduced fuel costs. A refined suspension system absorbs road imperfections, delivering a smooth, quiet ride that passengers can truly enjoy. So, why does this motorhome matter? Because it represents a new direction for travel. It's not just about reaching your destination. It's about enjoying every mile along the way. For luxury travelers, digital nomads, and road trip lovers, this vehicle offers freedom without sacrificing comfort or style. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just an RV. It's a statement about what the future of luxury travel can be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the Cadillac Motorhome for your next adventure? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.